Good night, teacher. I am student Viviana Andrea Suarez. I'm going to take a video of the healthy recipe. Ingredient: Greek yogurt, 1 egg, baking powder, stevia, and chocolate. Preparation: and in this suitable for oven and the Greek yogurt, add egg, and peach baking powder, stevia to taste, and you wish to come and chocolate or fruit chip or the preference. Achieve everything on the and the homogeneous mixture. And place in the oven for 10 minutes for 200 degrees Celsius, more or less. Good night. You let the cake read for 5 minutes, and you can enjoy while your favorite drinks. It is a easy dessert without regrets. Thank you. There is. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.